How to get working Google Workspace promo codes. In this video, I'm going to show you if you're wanting to get a professional email and premium business versions of tools you already know, like Gmail, Calendar, Drive, Docs, and more, with AI in every plan. I'm going to help you out stretch down the actual price of their subscription and use a code. So first is open up your preferred web browser and then go into this website that's going to be simplycodes.com. Now, once you're here, go into search any store and type in Google Workspace, and it is usually located at the very first result. So as you can see, there are a lot of codes that you can use here, like free gift, $60 off, 10% off, referral code, and so on and so forth. Copy the unique code that you prefer or that you choose, and then paste it into the payment tab on your Google Workspace. And that's how you get working Google Workspace promo codes.